yung bagong investment guys, Generally. Ito guys, meron silang nilirayo 28% sa 200 pesos mo, and 50 days magiging 2,800 guys. Meron 400, yan. Ito guys, nakaka-shot ako kanina dito ng 140. Ano, success. Bali minimum invest dito guys, 200 to 400 up to 45,000. Then meron dito inviting my team. Meron ako na invite kanina 1, tapos nag-deposit ng 400, commission ako ng 120. May 3 of level. You obtain 30% of your level 1 referral. Deposit amount as commission, 5% of level 2S and 1% on level 3. Yun. Maganda to guys. Grab nyo na guys. Bago pa. Para palduan na to. Tara.